Good morning, dear children. Today we discuss the topic is journal. Then the heading is posting of opening journal entry. Posting of opening journal entry. So, what is the meaning of posting of opening journal entries, ma? So, opening journal entry is the in case of existing business enterprises, opening entry is made at the beginning of the accounting period to bring into account the balances of account were not closed in the preceding accounting period. Okay, so the posting of opening journal entry. Posting of opening journal entry. So opening journal entry means the assets account, then liability. So asset account debit பண்ணணுமா. So opening balance என்னலாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ so அத ஃபுல்லா நம்ம டெபிட் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். Okay, then closing நம்ம கிரெடிட் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். That's all. So the opening accounts, the accounts not closed or capital, liabilities and assets appear in the balance sheet of the previous year. Okay, so first one, assets account debtor to liabilities account to capital account. So assets account is the opening. So opening accounts means assets account. So assets account debtor to liabilities account then to capital account that's all. So the amount, the journal for posting the opening journal entry. So the posting the opening journal entry is the individual letters in the balance brought down is used. Two steps in the posting opening accounts. First one is the item debited in the opening account or entered in the debit side. So the debit side entered in the debit side. Then two balance brought down or writing the particular column with the respective amounts in the amount column. Okay, so I will make one problem. Okay, so the problem number is illustration 2. So illustration 2, prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of joy from the following opening entry. So illustration 2, page number 87. So first in the books of joy journal entries. So big problem make பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So first one, cash account debtor to stock account debtor, Sohan account debtor, furniture account debtor to Ram account to Joy's account. தான் நம்மளுக்கு problem. Okay, so இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு இனிமேல் தான் நம்ம solution make பண்ண போறோம். So find out the solution. First one, cash account debtor. So questions first நான் எழுதிக்கிறேன். So cash account debtor, then stock account debtor, Sohan account debtor, furniture account debtor, to Ram account, to Joy's capital account. It's the problem. Okay, so the debit balance rupees debit and credit. Okay, so the debit balance amount is 45,000, then 50,000, then 35,000, then 50,000. Then credit column amount is 20,000, then 1,60,000. That's all. So it's a problem. You prepare the ledger account. So prepare the ledger account. First cash account நம்ம prepare பண்ண போறோம். First account cash account தான். So cash account prepare பண்றேன். So cash accountல first date. Okay, first one date. then particulars, then LF, then amount. Next date, particulars, plus LF, then amount. That's all. Okay. So first date 2017. 2017. So particulars January 1. Okay, January 1 la particulars la நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா to balance carry down. So cash account prepare பண்றோம். So cash account ஓட debit side நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும் ராம் அக்கௌண்ட் ஜாய்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் அப்படின்னு எழுதுவோம். பட் இதுல வந்து அந்த சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் வராது. ஸோ எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா இந்த ஐட்டம்ஸ் கிரெடிட்டட் இந்த ஓப்பனிங் என்ட்ரி. ஸோ ஓப்பனிங் என்ட்ரி அப்படிங்கும் போது நம்மளுக்கு என்னது டு பேலன்ஸ் கேரி டவுன் தான் எழுத முடியும். ஓகே, டு பேலன்ஸ் கேரி டவுன். ஸோ த அமௌண்ட் இஸ் கேஷுக்கு நேரா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன அமௌண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா 45,000. ஸோ 45,000. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகே, next account stock account. So stock account you will prepare. Then date particulars LF amount, then date particulars LF amount, same one. Okay, so the date 2017 January 1. Then same to balance carry down, to balance carry down. The amount is 50,000. Amount is 50,000. That's all. Okay, next account is Sohan account. So next account Sohan account. So same to balance carry down. The amount is 35,000. Okay, that's all. Next one. Next one is furniture account. So furniture account, you prepare the furniture account. So date, particulars, LF, then amount, then date, particulars, LF, then amount. Okay, that's all. So first one 2017 January 1. So particulars to balance carry down. So to balance carry down. The to balance carry down எதுக்காக போடுறோம்? It is a opening entry. So அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? To balance carry down தான் நம்ம போட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். Opening entry எல்லாத்துக்குமே to balance carry down you should write. Okay, so 50,000 rupees. That's all. Next account is RAM account. So next account is RAM account. So same date January 1. So to balance carry down. The amount is the RAM account is a creditor, isn't it, ma? So RAM account is a creditor. So RAM account is a creditor. So you write the credit side. Okay, so January 1, 2017 January 1. So to by balance carry down, by balance carry down. The amount is rupees 20,000 rupees. Is 20,000. That's all. Then Joy's capital account. Sorry, Joy's capital account. So Joy's capital account, how much, ma? So same 2017 January 1. By balance carry down. So by balance sorry, brought down. Okay, so by balance brought down. Balance brought down. The amount is 1,60,000 rupees. That's all. Okay, ma? So, opening balance அப்படின்னா நம்ம by balance to balance இப்படி prepare பண்ணுவோம். புரிஞ்சுட்டா? Next one is posting of compound journal entries. So compound journal entry means various accounts from the true balance, by balance words is not entered, but at the same time you will enter in the different amounts. So compound journals are writing the journal. Okay, so first posting of compound journal entry. Compound journal entry. Compound journal entry. The compound journal entry is as more than one debit or more than one credit or both. More than one debit and more than one credit. Okay. More than one debit and more than one credit or compound. It's called a compound entry. The entry is compound entry. Okay. Then for items debited in the compound entry, entries are made on the debit side in the respective accounts with the respective amount debited. For items credit is compound entry, entries are made on the credit side in the respective accounts with the respective amount credited. Okay, the posting of such entries to ledger account explained the illustration 3. Okay, so illustration 3 I will explain, ma. So you take illustration 3, page number 88. Page number 88. First one, journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. On May 20, 2018, ROM paid salaries rupees 15,000, electricity charges rupees 8,000, and wages rupees 2,000. Okay, so you will prepare the journal entries, ma. So the journal entry in the books of ROM. Okay, in the books of ROM journal entries. ROM journal entries. So date, particulars, then LF, then amount. That's all. Debit amount, credit amount. Okay. So first salaries account, then electricity charges and wages. So May 20, 2018. So 2018, May 20. First salaries account debtor. Salaries account debtor. Then electricity charges account. Electricity charges account debtor. Then wages account debtor to cash account. To cash account. That's all. So the debit side amount is rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. Then electricity charges rupees 8,000. Then wages account rupees 2,000. So the cash account is overall amount rupees 25,000. That's all. So these are the compound entries. So one or more debit items are there. Okay. First one, the ledger. You prepare the ledger account. First, salaries account. So salaries account. Salaries account, date, particulars, then LF, then amount, then date, particulars, then LF, then amount. Okay, so salaries account is a debit balance. So salary account to the debit side. Which is a credit balance mark? Cash is a credit balance. So to cash account, that's all. So to cash account, rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. That's all. Okay, ma. So salaries account debtor to cash account. So salaries account to the debit side, you will write the cash account. Okay, that's all. Next one, electricity charges account. Electricity charges account. Charges account. So electricity charges account data to cash account. Same way to cash account. So amount is rupees 8,000 rupees. Rupees 8,000. That's all. Next one. Wages account. So next one is a wages account. Wages account ledger. So wages account so wages account to cash account. So date, particulars, then LF, then amount. Then date, particulars, LF, then amount to cash account. To cash account. So how much, ma? Rupees 2,000. That's all. Okay, to cash account. That's all. So the date is 2018 and the date of the so May 20. May 20 and the date May 20. Okay, that's all. Next one is cash account. So next you prepare the cash account. So cash account journal prepare. So cash account is a credit balance. So you prepare the cash account. Cash account. Cash account. So date, particulars, LF, then amount. Then date, particulars, then LF, then amount. That's all. So the cash account is a credit side. So credit balance debit credit side. Okay. So May 20. So credit balance. First one, salaries account. By salaries account. How much? 15,000. Then by electricity charges. Charges account. So how much? 8,000 rupees. Then by wages account. Rupees 2,000. That's all. Okay. So these are the compound entries. So next one, illustration 4. Illustration 4. Take page number 89. Illustration 4. 89. So first, on 15th March 2017, Ramesh paid rupees 13,800 in full settlement of his account. Rupees 15,000 due to his creditor Dinesh. Pass journal entry and prepare ledger accounts. So in the books of Ramesh, Ramesh journal entry. Okay, that's all. So first one date, then particulars, then LF, then debit, then credit. Okay, so first 2017 March 15. Okay, so first Ramesh paid rupees 13,800 in full settlement of his account, rupees 15,000 due to his creditor Dinesh. So Dinesh account debtor to cash account to discount receipt account. Discount received account. Okay, that's all. So the debit balance is rupees 15,000. Then 13,800 cash credit. Okay. Then 1,200 is discount. So full settlement number 15,000. But credit pay pannadhu 13,800 but full settlement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So அப்ப remaining 2,200 அவங்க என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காங்க? Discount கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். Yeah, that's all. So okay. The journal is Dinesh account. First we prepare the Dinesh account. So date, particulars, then LF, then amount, then date, particulars, LF, then amount. That's all. Okay, Dinesh account. So Dinesh account is a debit balance. So Dinesh account on the debit side 2017 March 15. So to cash account and to discount received account. Okay, so the amount is 13,800 and 1,200. That's all. So Dinesh debit side to cash account to discount received account. So 13,800 then 1,200. That's all. Next prepare the cash account. Cash account. So cash account on the debit balance kadama. So cash account to the debit side Dinesh account. Okay, so date, then particulars, then LF, then amount, then date, particulars, then LF, then amount. So cash account to the credit side ma. So 2017 March 15. Okay, particulars Dinesh account by Dinesh account. So how much mark Dinesh account to cash nera enna amount adha eludano. So Dinesh ku nera ulla account enna senjirakoodadhu eludirakoodadhu nyabagam vechukonnom. So to cash account ku nera enna amount irukku 13,800. That's all. 13,800. Next discount received account. Next one discount received account. So Dinesh account, then cash account prepare பண்ணிருக்கோம், then discount receipt account. So date, particulars, then LF, then amount. Date, okay, that's all. So first discount receipt account is a credit balance. Okay, so credit side you write the date 2017 March 15. So Dinesh account, same account ma, by Dinesh account, by Dinesh account. So how much ma? 1200. So 1200, that's all. Okay. Next one, take page number 100 ma. Page number 100 ல நமக்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா எக்ஸசைஸ் பாருங்க 1 2 3 4. Take page number 100, exercise 1 2 3 4 எல்லாமே நமக்கு என்னதான் வரும் அப்படின்னா journals தான். Okay, so we must write the homework ma. Then following balances appeared in the books of Vinod on January 1 2018 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா. Then amount due to Vijay அப்படின்னு. So pass opening journal entry and post them to Vinod's capital account அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So amount due to Vijay அது வேற கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா. அப்ப வினோத்ஸோட கேபிட்டல் அக்கவுண்ட் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். So வினோத்ஸோட கேபிட்டல் அக்கவுண்ட் எவ்வளவு அப்படின்னா 1,40,000 rupees வரும். எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா டோட்டல் டெபிட்ட ஃபுல்லா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், கிரெடிட் காலம்ல டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட் வினோத்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் அக்கவுண்ட் அப்படின்னு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணுமா. சோ நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்த சேம் மாடல் தான் சரிங்களா. சோ அப்ப நீங்க என்ன எழுதுவீங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஷ் அக்கவுண்ட். ஓகே, சோ கேஷ் அக்கவுண்ட் how much, rupees 40,000. okay, debtor. Then stock account. Okay, stock account rupees 50,000 debtor. Okay, then amount due from ROM. So ROM டேந்து நம்ம வாங்கியிருக்கோம், amount வாங்கியிருக்கோம். Okay, then அதை வச்சுக்கோ. Then machinery account. Machinery account rupees 40,000. 40,000. Okay, the total amount is, then amount due to Vijay. Okay, so amount due to Vijay account. So Vijay account rupees 10,000. Okay, the total amount is rupees 1,40,000. So then you prepare the to Vinod's capital account. Capital account to Vinod's capital account. The amount is rupees, the total amount ma. Total amount how much? So overall total amount calculate பண்ணனும். So total amount எவ்வளவு வருது பாருங்க. அந்த total amount தான் நீங்க அதுல எழுதணும். So 1,40,000 rupees வந்துருமா. So total amount 1,40,000 rupees. 1,40,000 rupees. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு வந்து நான் full and full அத வந்து நான் explain பண்ணல. Okay, so நீங்க தான் அதை என்ன செய்யணும், ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணணும். நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன க்ளூ மாதிரி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். சோ நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு அதை எப்படி லெட்ஜர் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க பார்க்கணும். ஓகேயாமா. Then next some prepare furniture from the following transactions. So same model தான். Furniture in hand கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then purchased furniture for cash. Then sold furniture. 3 journals first prepare பண்ணணும். So prepare பண்ணிட்டு journalல இருந்து நீ ledger prepare பண்ணு. So first time பண்ணும்போது journal to ledger. Okay, journal பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் after you will try to ledger. Okay, then next one the balances appeared in the books of Kumaran. So assets, cash, stock, amount due from Rohit. Furniture rupees 10,000. Then liabilities, amount due to Anush. Then Kumaran's capital 1,20,000. So it is a compound entry. Okay, compound entry you will prepare. Then next give journal entries and post them to cash account. So cash account மட்டும் நீங்க prepare பண்ணணும். ஓகேமா, cash account மட்டும் prepare பண்ணணும். மத்த அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க prepare பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஏன்னா இதுல cash account தவிர வேற எதுவுமே வராது. சரிங்களா. 4th 8th sum. Okay, then give journal entries from the following transactions of motive dealing in textiles and post them ledger. So it is a compound entry. So இது full நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், எல்லா என்ட்ரிஸும் prepare பண்ணணும். ஓகேமா. purchased furniture for cash, then comments to business with cash, then opening bank balance with SBI. So எல்லா அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ்லயும் லெட்ஜர் யூ மஸ்ட் ரைட். தென் எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்லயும் லெட்ஜர் மட்டும் தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீ லெட்ஜர் எழுதணும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும் எது ஜேர்னல்ஸ். ஸோ ஜேர்னல்ஸ் ஒருவேளை உங்களுக்கு தெரியல அப்படின்னா, சாரி லெட்ஜர் டைரக்டா பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா ஜேர்னல்ஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், லெட்ஜர் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ டைரக்ட் லெட்ஜர் எப்படி பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத நான் உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.